Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use 3 of these machines faster in Plants vs Brainrots. So you are just going to kind of wait for the Mutation Mania weather to spawn. It spawns every hour and it's here for 10 minutes. So the fuse machine, the merge machine, and the plant extractor all have 2x speed. So as you can see, the fuse machine is at 1 minute. Well, it's at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I think, or something like that. And it used to be, well, if it's like normal, it's at 5 minutes. Same as the mutation machine, it's faster, as well as the plant extractor. So if you want to fuse stuff quickly, you are able to do that, but you do have to kind of wait for the Mutation Mania. I suggest you to mutate as much as you can, essentially. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.